Hi there, this is Walter and welcome to Wix Ideas. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at global sections. And global sections in Wix Studio are reusable sections you can create once and add to multiple pages across your site. So when you update this global section in one place, it automatically updates everywhere, saving you time and keeping your design consistent. So let me show you how to add a global section to your Wix Studio website. And just before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. And most importantly, please don't forget to turn on your notification to be the first to know of our future videos. Now let's get started. Now I have a website called the Riverside, which is a bar, restaurant and cafe, and I want to be able to create a reusable or global section for the dining options. So here we have a section right here. When I click on this breadcrumb and select this section grid, you can see that we have a section right here, and I want to be able to save this section and apply it to several pages of my website. So let's go ahead and make sure that we selected our section and then click on this menu icon here to view more options, and then scroll down, and here we have set as global. Now we have an option to save this as a global section, so go ahead and click on section. Now this is going to save it inside of our global sections where we have headers, sections and footers. And here we are saving a section, which is basically a section you can have within the body of your website. And I'm going to call this dining options. Perfect. Now I can use this section anywhere else I want. And if you hover on this section, let's just go ahead and select our section again. You can see we have a green border around it, which indicates that this section has now become a global section. This is the same kind of border or background you're going to see on your header when you hover on your header, and it's also the same one you're going to see on your footer when you hover on your footer as well. Perfect. So now I'm going to head over to the about page, and I'm going to add the section right there. I'm going to find a suitable place. So let's say here is fine. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my global sections again. And I'm going to add the dining options section to this page. Now you can see that I've added this section to this particular page. And we also have the border, which indicates that this is a global section. So let's go ahead and publish and have a look at what we have added on the front page. All right, so here we are on our live websites, and here we have the dining options section on our home page. And if we navigate to the about page and scroll down, we can also see the same dining options on our about page. So I'm going to head back to the home page, and I'm going to do a little change on this section. I'm going to change this to Wix Ideas on the home page of our site. And when I publish and view this on the live sites, you're going to see that this is also going to change on the about page. But don't take my word for it. Let's have a look at how it's going to look like on our live website. So let's head back to our about page and then refresh. And then here you can see that we have the Wix Ideas showing up on the about page. And if we head back to the home page as well, over here you can see that we have the Wix Ideas showing up as well. So this is how you add a global section to your Wix Studio websites. Another thing you can do is you can also go ahead and select your section on probably on the home page. And if you don't want to have it a global section anymore, you can simply go over here and detach from the global section. So this will become a regular section on your page, and you can design it however you want, but the changes will not apply to the other pages where you have it. All right, so another thing too is if you want to delete these sections everywhere on your website all at once without having to go in one at a time, you can head over to the global sections right here and then head over to the sections and delete. And this is going to delete them completely from all the pages that you have on your website. So here we have deleted this section from our home page. And if we head back to our about page as well, that has also been deleted. So that is how you make use of a global section, which saves you time and also makes your design consistent. All right, so if you're also looking for more tutorials like this, you can also watch how to hide headers and footers in Wix Studio. And I have a tutorial right here, and also a tutorial on how to hide your header and footer in Wix. Alright, so that's it about this tutorial. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.